Do a little walkthrough. This is the front door. Master bedroom. Master closet. Attic entrance. A little pocket door that slides into the framing. Master bathroom. Sinks, vanities, toilet, walk-in shower, no shower door, yeehaw. Mary's soaking tub. Walk back out of the master bedroom, you can see the great room, living room slash kitchen. We're gonna have a big island right there where that power's coming up. About a 10-foot island. This is the utility room. Washer, dryer, freezer, a little bench, and shoe racks and all that good stuff. Half bath, kind of a guest bath. Sink, toilet. And then this door leads out to the big porch outside, the 25 by something porch. This is all kitchen, sinks, and dishwasher, fridge. And I love this since I cook a lot. This is a big walk-in pantry. It's gonna have a huge spice rack all the way down. Really big pantry. I don't know the measurements, 10 by something. Over here, there's gonna be a big barn door that just slides and covers that opening for this side of the house. When you slide that door open, you can walk right into the bathroom on this side. Vanity, shower, toilet. This is gonna be Abby's bedroom when she's home from college, or whoever's spending the night. Pretty big bedroom. Big closet. Another attic entrance for this side. Both attics are completely decked for a lot of storage. You can walk back out into this, which will be an office slash guest bedroom. A small closet. You see the attics up there, really nice. See if I can open this door. Got a 20-foot by 10-foot front porch. Daisy. Now we're going to the back porch, which runs the entire length of the house. It's about 60 foot long from there down to there. We're gonna have an outdoor shower because I get really muddy, and it's a doggy shower too with hot and cold. Got some other faucets out here too. We're gonna have ceiling fans and lights all the way down. We have an uncovered area of the porch for cooking and fire pit and all that. You can see where the roof stops. Then you got another 10 feet. And then you got the big porch, what we call the fun zone. I don't remember the measurements, but it's huge. It's bigger than what we're living in right now, totally. We're gonna have a TV mounted up there. We're gonna have an 8-foot bar right here in the middle with the overhang with chairs around it. And that's about it. Very exciting.